Hi guys, so in this section we will discuss about number input type. So to define that, the input type should be number. Okay, so it will define the number. So uh, input number input type is nothing but you can insert only number. It won't accept text or some things. One more thing is about minimum and maximum value. So these are attribute of this. So which is maximum, which is minimum value we can insert in this. Okay. So let's see how it will work. Sorry, 1 second, we'll go and open this web page. Number input box. Okay, so see here is our input box course. So we can insert one, it accept. The maximum number we given 50, you give 500, it won't accept. You want to type some text, it won't accept. Okay, so that way you can define number input box. It will useful when you are going for age field and all these things which is always in number. Thank you.